You guys, I am super excited to be back. I am doing the Amazon baby registry unboxing for the welcome kit that you get for free after you do your baby registry. I opened the box, but I haven't looked through it yet, and I am super anxious to know what's in it. Before I got mine, I was kind of looking at other people's videos to see what they received and to figure out what I'm gonna be getting. Before I start, actually, I just wanted to let you know 3 things that you need to do before you get this box. It's free, but not really, because first you have to be an Amazon Prime member, and 2, you have to finish your checklist for your baby registry. So if you can just check on them that you already got some stuff, or if you open another registry somewhere else and you don't want to do like everything from Amazon, you can click that you already completed your registry just by doing the check mark. And the last thing you need to do is someone or yourself, you can purchase something for $10 for your baby registry, and once that's completed, which is pretty easy to do, you will get your box. And so that's what I did. When I opened the box, it says here, congrats, a new adventure awaits at every stage, which is pretty neat, I feel like, just because this is my 2nd trimester, so I'm getting there. I'm getting closer to have this baby, and I am super excited. So let's see what I got. First thing, so this is, as I open it, this is how it shows up. For me, at least. I don't know, maybe, different people, they get it different in the different ways. It says, love your welcome box, purchase any items in 3 easy steps. It tells you what to do if you like any of the items you have on the box. So let's get started. The first thing I got is a baby onesie. It's by the brand Hannah Anderson's. It's called Moon and Back. This is what I got, and I know I'm having a boy, so it's like they knew. I mean, I think I wrote it because there's a section that they ask you if you're having a boy or a girl, and by the time I did my baby registry, I knew I was having a boy, so I don't know, maybe that's how they kind of send stuff to you. But this is a little onesie. Oh my god, this onesie is 0 to 3 months, so, and it's made with 100% organic cotton. Oh, my baby's gonna be this little. Well, who knows, some babies get bigger or some are smaller, so we'll see. And then I have the water wipes. I'm super excited to try these because I am trying to figure out if I want to do the Pampers sensitive wipes or these ones. And yeah, so we have wipes, and we also have the 7th generation sensitive skin size 1. I am happy to receive this one because I actually like 7th generation cleaning supplies from them, and they are pretty good, especially the dish soap. So I'm kind of excited to try this and see, how it's gonna work for the baby. Hopefully his skin will take it, because I mean, it says free and clear, so I'm pretty sure it doesn't have any of the extra chemicals that back in the day they used to have. And then we have the Nook baby bottle. Actually, this is open. So I heard that it's always good to have different baby bottles. Every registry I've done, they send me with a bottle to try. I have a Dr. Brown, a Bent, and now I have this one. So it will be good to know what my baby likes before I decide to purchase like a big pack of baby bottles. Anyway, and then we have the Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo. Let me see how it smells. I also have a Ziploc bag where I'm putting all the samples that I've been receiving from my little registries, because some of the other registries I got, I received like more than one of these, or I'll got several from different brands. So, and then I have the Draft detergent for stage 1 newborn. I think I'm gonna go with this brand to wash my baby's clothing, so we'll see what happens, and hopefully it will be good for his skin. And the last thing I have is the muslin swaddle. It teaches you the steps on how to swaddle your baby. That's pretty cool to know, especially because some people don't know, or like I don't know, I don't, do they teach you these things at the hospital? But yeah, and I like the zebra print. I think I'm gonna go with like a safari theme, or I don't necessarily want a theme, but the stuff I have gotten for him, the clothing, it's kind of, you know, animals. And I'm excited to have this not only for the swaddle part, but also to use it as a stroller cover or a car seat cover, so that way people are not all up on my baby's face, because he's gonna be tiny, and if I do need it to go somewhere while he's still tiny and newborn, well, not newborn, because I want to stick around the house, especially with the coronavirus. But yes, like I'll have something to cover my baby with if I were to go out anywhere. I think this is all I received. Yep, this is all I have. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited. I can't wait to have this baby and be able to, you know, have him use these little diapers and the onesie and stuff like that. I hope you have a good day, and I hope you like this video, and if you did, please subscribe and like this video, so whenever I have any other videos you can see it. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. Bye.